After gastric sleeve, what to eat? After gastric sleeve surgery, making the right dietary choices is crucial for recovery and weight loss. In the weeks following the procedure, it's essential to consume foods that are nutritious, easy to digest, and help with healing. Here are 10 of the best foods to consider incorporating into your diet after gastric sleeve surgery. 1. Protein shakes, easy to digest and packed with protein. These shakes support muscle preservation and recovery. 2. Greek yogurt, rich in protein and probiotics. Greek yogurt promotes gut health and can be enjoyed plain or with low sugar. 3. Scrambled eggs, a great source of protein. Scrambled eggs are nutritious and easy to prepare. 4. Lean poultry, chicken and turkey breast provide lean protein. Ensure they are cooked and shredded for easy eating. 5. Fish, fatty fish like salmon offer healthy omega-3s. Baked or steamed options are best for flavor and moisture. 6. Vegetable purees. Pureed vegetables like carrots and spinach provide essential nutrients without being hard to digest. 7. Cottage cheese. This creamy option is rich in protein and calcium, making it a good choice post-surgery. 8. Soft fruits. Bananas and applesauce are easy to eat and provide vitamins and fiber. 9. Oatmeal, a warm, comforting food that is high in soluble fiber, promoting fullness and aiding digestion. 10. Soups, nutrient-rich, broth-based soups with pureed veggies or lean proteins are soothing and easy to digest. By incorporating these foods, you can support your healing process and improve your health after surgery. Always consult with a healthcare provider for tailored dietary guidance. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.